Hi, in this video we are going to see how to create the blend materials. So first of all we will create the ground plane. So as in the previous video we have created one FBX file here. So which has been done in Maya and we have imported into Unreal Engine. First we will load this model into the scene here. So first of all I will delete this ground and now I will place this ground here, and first of all I will put it to 0, 0, 0 so that it will go to the default location. So in order to do that we can select this object, and in the details panel we can put it to 0, 0, 0. So now I will focus the object here. So I will select the ground plane here and I will just press F so that it will focus. Now we need to scale this. So blend material is nothing but it is a combination of different materials here. So what the thing is, we will create the blend material and we'll combine the required materials and we'll set into single material so that we can paint different kind of materials into single plane. So now we have to download different kind of materials which we want to use for the blend material. So now in order to do that, first we'll go to the Pixel bridge. So right click, add Pixel content. So as in the previous video we have discussed, we are going to create one environment. So we'll go to that environment and we will download the ground material. So we'll go to the collections. As in the previous video, we have decided that we will create this kind of level here. So if you can see here, there are different kind of ground materials. So we will download these materials and we'll combine all the materials into single material. So I will select this and click on download. Let's say we will use this one, download, and let's say we'll use this one, click and download. So now we have downloaded this material here and we have to add into the content browser. So in order to add that, we can select this and click on add. Now we'll see, we'll minimize this and see. Now if you go to the mega scans, now here it has been downloaded the three surfaces. So if you select this, so this is one surface, this one and this one. So now we have downloaded the three surface materials here. Now what we'll do is we'll create the blend material and we'll add it to plane here. Now in order to create the blend material, first we need to go to the pixel content. So if you right click, go to pixel content, and now you can select any material so that you can see this control panel here in the right side. And here you can see there is an option. So you have to click on this. So beside the quality, so you have to click on this. Now it will open the new window. So here we can create the blend material. Now we'll close this pixel and let's see. And here you can see there is a blend material and here the destination where you want to save the material here. So if you click on this, you can suppose if you go to the contents, and in contents if you want to create a new folder, you can right click, new folder, blend materials. So now here you can select the blend material and we can give the name for this. So let's say we'll put the name like PM so that it will be easy for us to search. Let's say we'll call it as ground. Now next what we have to do is we have to select the three materials which we want to blend. So first of all, if you go to this surfaces, here you can see there are three materials, but we need to select the three materials so that we can directly create the blend material. So how to do that? So what the thing is, now for each material you will have an prefix like mi. So if you select this one, you can see mi. So what I will do is I will go to the surface and I will search for mi so that I can see these three materials here. So that is what I said, like when you're giving the name for this material, so better you give the prefix like mi, blend materials like pm, so that it will be easy for us to search in the future. So now what the thing is, we need to select these three materials and we have to click on this create blend material. So first of all, here what the thing is, the order matters. So whatever the material you're going to select will be the top layer, and the second will be the middle layer, and the third will be the lower layer. So it depends. So now what the thing is, whatever the material you want to dominate the ground, we have to select the first, so that whenever we apply the material, so that material will be totally applied to this plane, and laterly according to our requirement we will paint the remaining two textures. So we'll see this. So first of all, if you double click on this, You can see like this one, and you can see like this one. So suppose if you want this as a main ground, now we need to select this one first, and laterally if you decide this one as a second one, okay, and this one will be the third one. So okay, so now what the thing is, first we need to select this one if you want to apply like a main material. So I will select the second this one, and third this one. So we need to select these three. Now I'm going to click on this create blend material after selecting all these materials. So click on this. Click on this. Now if you go to blend material and see here, we are not able to see that materials, or actually we have search with an mi, so we have to remove this. Now see, it has been created the blend material. If you double click on this, basically it will show the first material which I have selected. Laterally we will paint the remaining textures. And here we got a lot of settings, so we can manage. See, if you go to the properties, you can see we got all the normal textures, albedo of three materials here. So in the next video we will see the blend material properties and how to paint.